Hi there, students. Perdition. Perdition, a noun. So, the real base meaning of perdition is eternal damnation. The fires of hell. Yeah? But you could use perdition metaphorically, saying complete destruction. So, for example, chocolate is my perdition. It is my undoing. It brings about my end. Good food is my perdition. Maybe all of the labor-saving devices that we have in our society are our perdition. Yeah, because we become lazier and lazier and just don't do anything. The downturn in the economy was the perdition of the company. Yeah, it caused it to be ruined. So perdition, absolute ruin, destruction. Yeah, the end, entire loss. But particularly to talking about the soul. So perdition, this is related to purgatory. Somebody's soul, after they die, if they're an evil person, may be tortured for eternity, and that is perdition. So perdition is after you die, the tortures of hell, on and on and on. But that's a very religious one. That's a fire and brimstone meaning. I think the best way to use this phrase is something is my perdition. So alcohol was his perdition, and he just couldn't stop drinking. Yeah, he couldn't keep down a job. He couldn't maintain a relationship. It was his perdition. I think for many people, greed is their perdition, or the desire to be famous was her perdition. Yeah, she did everything she could to get it. She gave up everything else, and it caused her utter destruction. Yeah. The utter loss of the soul, or the utter loss of the character, or the real things in life. Okay, so yeah, perdition is really the road to hell. So the road to hell is paved with good intentions. The road to perdition is paved with good intentions. Studying hard at school will save you from the road to perdition. Maybe, maybe not. Okay? The road to perdition is easy to get by following earthly vices. Yeah? So, perdition, the end. Yeah? The loss of your soul. Okay, let's see. It comes from Latin, peredito, from the verb perdo, to lose or to destroy. Yeah, and it comes to English through French. So that's the origin. How formal is this word perdition? It sounds rather formal, really quite old-fashioned, very biblical. Perdition. I think, though, you could probably just about use it in an informal conversation. So I'm going to give it a 6 informality. If you use it in this structure, something is my perdition. This is the road to perdition. But if you're going to use it in some sort of fire and brimstone biblical setting, then that makes it a much more formal word. Okay, so perdition, yeah, the abyss, hell, Hades, yeah. So I think for many students, their perdition when it comes to learning English is translating from their own language. You need to give up your own language um, and start to think in English. I call it the road to perdition because if you translate from your native language, you will always make certain structural mistakes and you're going to end up learning some things wrong. Okay? So tell me, what is your perdition? We all have things that are our perdition. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Perdition.